Hello there and welcome to Weekly Tips. Today I want to show you how to customize status bar in Excel. Status bar is the area at the bottom of any Excel file which can show some useful pieces of information. By default, it displays, for example, if scroll lock is on, or quickly calculates sum and average of selected cells values. But did you know that you can customize information shown on status bar? To do that, simply right-click on the status bar and choose desirable options, for example minimum and maximum. But that's not all. We can further customize status bar using VBA. Let's make a simple macro that will display square power of the cell value after right-clicking on it. In this example, we want to display square power only in sheet 1, so we will write code straight into it. First, we want to make sure that our square power will calculate after right-click, so we choose that option from the drop-down list. Then, we have to create a procedure which will calculate the square power of selected cell value. To do that, we can create a variable and then a simple formula. Now we can assign our variable to the application status bar. Everything works just fine, but we have to make some changes in order to deal with possible errors. For example, if we choose a cell that doesn't contain number, we will get an error. To overcome that, we can put a simple if statement in our procedure to check if the value is a number. After that, it will be good to make it possible to reset status bar to the default mode. To do that, we can simply make a procedure that will set application status bar to false after selection change. So, as you can see, possibilities for customization are endless. If you have some ideas for useful status bar customization, please share them in the comments below. If you find it useful, please share and subscribe. That's all for today, thank you and see you next time.